everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining back. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Asus EBook mini laptop. Before I move ahead with the video itself, just so you know that I bought this product from a store. So obviously the salesman had to open the box in order to, make us understand and give us a demonstration. So unboxing is not happening, unfortunately. So I thought of, sharing a very first impression or hands-on sort of a review.
Okay, so let's start. This is the outer packaging. It's a very basic cardboard box. Now let's take the actual product out. Okay, as you can see, this is the actual laptop. It's very basic black in color, and here is the charger. Okay, it's a 2-pin charger that looks more like a mobile phone charger to me more than anything else, and it comes with a very thin cable. Yes, and it also has a velcro as usual. So usual thing, nothing fancy about it, and yeah, that is the charger pin, and that's it. Okay, moving on, I would like to mention here that I bought this laptop for 15,800 rupees with not very high expectations for this price. Now, if you expect it to perform like a very high-end sort of a laptop, then my suggestion is not to waste your time or money on this. Now, my review is completely based on VFM, that is value for money. So when I say something is good, I simply mean that it is good for this price. Okay, as you can see, it's very lightweight and thin, very sleek. So looks are good, no doubt about it. Now here comes the worst part. Can you see those fingerprints? Yes, that's kind of disastrous, and when I tried to remove that with a piece of cloth, it simply did not work. So that's a big thumbs down. Yes. Okay, moving on, let us now just switch it on. Now, I did not want this part to be edited because I wanted to show that how much time does it take for booting actually. So here it is. Yes. Yeah, have patience. You cannot expect much. Yes, finally. The display overall is bright, not bad at all, but the webcam, however, is pathetic. Now, here is a keyboard, it's the usual one, nothing special. But here is a very unique thing that I would like to mention. When you hit the caps lock button, there is no light whatsoever that gives you an indication that the button is on. There is no backlit, no indicator. There are 3 tiny little buttons in the front, but it has got nothing to do with the caps lock. Okay, the touchpad is large, it's big enough, but you need to, get a hang of it. So use 2 fingers to scroll up and down. Okay, so movements are at times oversensitive. So for that, I'm using a Bluetooth mouse. It's up to you. Okay, here is the display. Now display is good. Sound is also good, but clear, but not much bass. Video is good, but pixelates. Here are the 3 tiny little lights in the front. One is for power, one is airplane mode, and the third one is charger. Now on left hand side we have got the charging point. Yes, then second is the LAN cable, that is for the LAN cable. Third one is a VGA port, which I need the most, then HDMI port, USB port, and finally the SD card port. Moving on to the right side, we have the Kingston lock, then the headphone port or adapter, what you call, and another one for USB. So that's it. Yeah, here we have nothing. Okay, On the back of it, the most important part is that yes, it comes with an original inbuilt Windows 10. Here we have installed the hard disk drive. It doesn't come with a hard disk drive though. So I would suggest rather an SSD would be great, though it's kind of expensive. Here are the two speakers.
Okay, so that was it about the review. Now, just for your understanding that I'm not a geek of any sorts, rather on the contrary, I'm technologically challenged. So I tried and give you the best possible review that I could. Hope you enjoyed. So now, before I wrap this video up, there are 3 specific things that I would like to share with you. Number 1, in case you're running on a very tight budget and you happen to travel a lot just like me, then as I mentioned earlier in the video itself, that this product might just come in handy because it's very sleek and lightweight. So it'll be very travel friendly and easier for you to carry in case you're traveling alone. Number 2, as I did not want my video to be very lengthy, so I've shared few cool tips on the description box that will help you to run your product much smoother and faster. So don't forget to check the description box down below. Okay, and last but definitely not the least, if you are already using this laptop, then please let me know that how this product functions or operates after a few weeks or months of usage. I will be really looking forward to hearing from you. So that's all from me. See you on my next video. Until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.